You asked what's for dinner? I'm glad you did. Boom! Let me show you about this $9.29 meal courtesy of your local Kroger. Holla! Simple, simple, simple ingredients is like 4. Black pepper, boom. Walker Wood jerky. If you don't know nothing about that, you better know today. Okay. Lawry seasoning salt. Oh, look at me making a mess. Holla. And for the win, some Herradura. So what I did was I seasoned down the salmon and put all my seasonings on it, including my jerk. And then to combat the seasoning of the jerk, the spiciness, that's when you come back with that Herradura. Drizzle it ever so neatly. Drizzle, drizzle, nizzle, hizzle, my shizzle. That's what you do. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful right there. Then I came back with some scrimps. Shrimps if you're proper, scrimps if you're not. Came back with them scrimps with some garlic butter in the same damn pan. You know. And yeah, that's what's for dinner. $9.29. Top like so, bada bing, bada boom, a couple of pieces of scrimps. And look at that.